Just a quick video on how to install a drive into drive bay 2 and 3 on the Dell Precision 5860. Now to remove the caddy, you lift up on this lever and then gently pull it out. And depending on how your system was configured, your caddy may look different. This one's never had a drive installed in it, so it still has the 2.5-inch drive adapter bracket. And if you try to install a drive like this as is, well, it's not going to work properly because it's not going to be in the right spot and there's going to be nothing holding it in place. And what you need to do is these blue locking pins, you need to push them out like so, and then you need to reinstall them in the correct spot for a 2.5-inch drive, which will be these 2 points here. And this can be kind of tricky. If you've dealt with other Precisions, like the T7600, T7610, and their caddy system, it will basically be familiar to you. There we go. There we go. Now, when it comes to where you place the pins on this side, it needs to be the 2 forward-facing spots, and that's forward-facing in relation to this is a cluster, and this is a cluster of where you put the pins. So you push them in like that. Now you take your 2.5-inch drive, and you want to start from the bracket side, because you basically have to bend the caddy to get those pins into place on the other side. It's a lot easier to bend the sidewall than it is the little adapter bracket. Now, the tricky part, darn it, is getting those pins lined up, because you have to really bend and twist and pull it. It's kind of a miserable system, to be honest. Alright, I'm going to see if I can do this off camera. I'm going to do it out of frame. Part of the thing is a clearance issue. So you want to make sure you have those pins pushed in all the way as you pull the driver away from the other side. And the fun part's trying to do this without breaking the darn caddy. This is a new enough system though where the plastics should be fairly strong still. Boy, I really want to do this in front of the camera, but I just cannot get it to cooperate. Alright, let me start over. Make sure everything's pushed into place. So, something I might try is pulling that adapter bracket too. The problem you run into is if you don't clear the pin with the drive and you push on it, well, it deflects out away and then you can't get it to line up. I can't get it to line up to save my life. I've done this a couple times now. I think this is take 3 in the video. And every time, there we go, I've run into an issue. If I was fancier, I probably would have a recording of me doing it right with a voiceover. This back pin's the biggest pain. You really have to fight to get it in. And I think I just popped out the front one. Sweet. I think this is going to be the worst take, unfortunately. Alrighty. There's probably some sort of really cool trick to this that makes it easier, but I'm not aware of it. So, alright, so I've gotten that mounted, and then from there it's just a matter of pushing it in as so. Now, if you want to convert this for 3.5-inch drive, you have to remove that little adapter bracket. And if your blue pins are already in the wrong spot, you'll have to remove those and put them in the correct spot. Otherwise, they might already have been in the right spot if you started from factory state like this was, where this side already had the pins where they belong, and then same on this side where the locking pins were in their back positions, as so. And what you're going to have to do is remove this little bracket. So you twist it out this way, past those locking tabs, and then just lift it up. And probably won't show up on camera. There. That shows as well. Not the best diagram. But to install a 3.5-inch drive, these pins only go in one spot on the left side. Pins on the right side, as I said, you want to make sure they're in the back position. So they'll look like that. And then from there, 3.5-inch drives are easier, because all you have to do is hinge one side in and twist the caddy until you get the other side in. And although I didn't say it with the solid state drive, with either drive configuration, you want the connector pointing towards the inside, and you want it on the bottom of the caddy. And the inside of the caddy is the point with this little stabby alignment bit, and this is outside back. So yeah, just as a reference. Also, it does have a cutout for where the connector is, but then same deal, 3.5-inch drive. Just shove it in place and you're good to go. So hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.